I'm Kimberly.
I'm Andy.
And today we are collecting soil samples to see what kind of microscopic organisms we can find.
Where?
Oh, okay. Don't do worms, unless they're parasitic worms.
I'm so glad I got that on camera.
Okay, now that we have our samples back to the lab, we're going to test them and see what we can find. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put this into a flask. Okay. So we have our sample into the flask, and now we're going to fill it up to the 100 milliliters with water. And then we need to mix it up. We need to make sure the water and the soil is thoroughly mixed. So we're going to plug this mixer in. We're going to take this magnet, drop it in, and then turn on the mixer. So we're just going to let that mix up for a few minutes and then we'll be right back. We have our mixture thoroughly mixed. We're going to place a piece of gauze over the top to prevent all the chunky stuff from getting into our little tubes. And we're going to fill up each one with 2 milliliters. Perfect. Okay, so then the rest of that can be disposed of. And then we need to fill up these tubes up to the 15 milliliter mark with zinc sulfate. Okay, now we're going to put the caps on and we're going to go take these to the centrifuge. Okay, we are in the centrifuge. We're going to make sure they line up evenly. Centrifuge must be balanced. And close this. Make sure the speed is on 1/4. And then we're going to do this for about 3 minutes or so. Centrifuging these allow for all the hard particles to go towards the bottom and will allow for the eggs to float towards the top if there are any. So now that these have been centrifuged, we're just going to fill these all the way up to the top to create a meniscus. And this will allow for any eggs or free-living nematodes to float to the top. And then we're going to put a cover slip on them to catch anything there may be. And then we're gonna let that sit for 10 minutes and then we'll check them out under the microscope. So here are some examples of what we are trying to find. First, there's Balisaccharis personis, which is a raccoon parasite. There's Toxicera, which is a dog and cat parasite. And then there's hookworm. We also find a lot of microscopic nematodes. All of these are microscopic at some point in their life cycle. Okay, so here we have what seems to be a Toxicera egg. It's kind of being blocked by that giant air bubble right there. But you can kind of see it has the rigid outline of the Toxicera egg, and you can kind of see the nematode inside of it. So since today's results were pretty much unsuccessful, we only found one possible Toxicera egg, we will show you some examples of some microorganisms found in previous results so that you guys can get an idea of what could have been found today.